Hello everybody, on this video we're going to talk about how to create database in SQL Server. When we installed a new instance of SQL Server, the database do not come with it. So in order to create database and store data, we have to create database. So let's jump into SQL Server Management Studio and look how we can do that. So on the left-hand side of the screen here, on the Object Explorer, you will see a folder called databases, and it comes with system database and user and a placeholder for user databases. So to create new database, you can click new database and give it a database name. On this case here, I'll call it demo and click OK. So it creates a new database demo. This is a graphical way of creating database. The other way we can do the same thing would be to write a query. So we could do that by writing create database and the name of the database. So in this case here, we can call it school. And highlight the code and execute it. The command completed successfully. If you refresh the database folder, you'll be able to see school databases in there. So if you open the databases that are newly created, they do not have any data inside them. They're basically empty databases with system tables. So no real data inside them. So in the next video, we'll see how we can create tables, views, store procedures, functions, and load data into them. All right? That's all for the video.